I've got a young apprentice called Ben, and he's probably one of the smartest men I've ever met, full stop. He's such a brilliant apprentice, a really, really, really gifted electrical engineer. Challenge him. He could take on 90% of the people I've worked with over the years in electrical engineering. That's the simple fact of the matter. The problem is now, it's a real sad point in the world whereabouts the apprentices have become much more costly. And I'm having to review that at the moment. You know, I love the idea of bringing apprentices through, but there was always the agreement that you didn't come out with university fees, and within that, you know, I paid you, you learned, we both had a fair, you know, an equal relationship. The problem is now, let's be honest, apprentices are costing the best part of 35 grand a year, somewhere around about that, and that's the cost of living and everything else around there. And I know I get 15 calls a day from colleges and universities and things like this saying, you know, people have lost their places and things like this. So for me, if I'm going to take an apprentice on, I need to take them on for the full duration. And I'm not willing to kind of play with people's lives like that or careers. I love the apprenticeship schemes. I think it's a grand, fantastic thing. But, you know, at the moment in the current political climate, and I'm trying to be as central as possible on this, I think I don't know. I'm worried that there'll be another skills shortage if we don't get this kind of nailed in the next year or so, if I'm honest.